What's going on for the Intense 5? Let's kick it off. Cardi B is feeling really guilty about going back in studio just 1 month after baby Culture was born. Plus, she's suffering from postpartum depression. Cardi B, we feel it for you. Just do what you can manage right now.
Just in case you didn't know how important a bikini wax was, ask Britney Spears and her team. Britney made her team scramble around at 1 a.m. to find someone who could do the task because she didn't think she was ready to go into her very revealing costume. Her team called in a lot of favors and got it done. Efficient.
I think Maka Diamond is trying to break the internet. No, from a revealing video of her in the bathtub to her fascination with a fruit. Not sure what's going on, but it's getting a lot of attention.
We need a break, Maka. We need a break, girl. I don't even know what to do with myself right now. We need a break. The Supergirl Aneke is a mommy. Posts on social media show mommy and daddy with their brand new baby. Congratulations, guys.
Yeah. And finally holding the spot this week. For the first time in Rising Stars history, a contestant has decided to give up her spot. Kiki decided that her stage fright kept getting the better of her, plus the overwhelming amount of negative comments she was receiving on social media and on the road was just too much. So she just won't be performing this Sunday, but make sure you tune in. Kiki, do you love me? I love you, it seems.
Poor Kiki.
She's so sweet though, she's sweet. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember, we're on Facebook and Instagram at TVJ Intense.